Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to fix Google Maps if it is not talking. Now, if you're using Google Maps on your phone to go somewhere and you don't want to type, a lot of times people type, but if you want to type, use the mic, as you can see here, new faster ways to search on maps. So continue, there you go, while using this. So as you can see, it is working, right? It is working. But if it's not working, right? If Google Maps is not working in terms of the voice command, you want to check if your Google Maps is updated. That's the most important thing. That's the main thing you need to do. And to do that, we need to go to the Play Store, go to Google Maps, as you can see here, and then as you can see, if there is an update, make sure to update your Google Maps like so, because if not, that might be one of the things that you want to make sure is up to date. And at the same time, you need to check your internet, your Wi-Fi, whatever, wherever you're connected, if you are actually getting good signal. Aside from that, maybe you want to, you know, just restart your phone if it's really that bad. But after that, for the most part, you're gonna be good to go. So that's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.